Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you how you can get the always on display or AOD on any Android device. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How to get always on display or AOD on any Android device. So AOD or always on display is a little different than your typical lock screen. AOD is simply a screen which shows anytime you turn on and simply open your phone. For example, this one right here is a home screen, and if I go ahead and close this and then if I open it, this is basically a lock screen. And always on display means even if you turn this off, there is a certain display on your screen or on your phone which shows you the time and date and so on. So in this video, I will simply show you how you can get that option on any of your Android device. So let's make sure to watch this video till the end. Now on most phones these days, you already do have the option by default on your settings app. You have to simply go ahead and look for it. For example, in my case, where there is the option called lock screen, and I'll simply tap on the lock screen option, and you can see the option which says always on display. If you don't find this setting, you can also simply take the help of a search box on the top right hand corner in order to go ahead and search for always on display. Now I'm going to simply turn this toggle on right over here. You can see it says always on display has been turned on. If you want to customize more settings, I will simply tap on it, and you can choose when you want the AOD display to show. For example, you can only tap to show the always on display, or always show always, or show as scheduled, or show for new notifications. You can change the clock style and everything if you want. If your phone supports it, there are many of the different selections which you can choose from, for example, and you can also choose the show music information and so on. And let me just show you what this looks like. If I tap on the show always button and then I come back, even if I turn off my phone, you can see that the always on display has actually been enabled, and this is basically an always on display. If I turn and simply do this, this is a lock screen, and if I open it and go to the main home interface, that is basically my home screen right over here. If you don't find that option, you can also simply toggle down and you can choose to turn off or turn on always on display if you have it on your notifications or your quick panel settings right over here. However, let's say some devices are not supported. In that case, what you can do is you can simply open your Play Store, and in the search box you can simply type in always on display and use any of the third-party apps in order to go ahead and enable the always on display on your phone. You can see always on for AMOLED devices and so on. There are a bunch of free apps which you can use. It doesn't necessarily need to be a particular one from this list. You can go ahead and choose any of these as per your own wish. And this is how you can get the always on display on any Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.